Energy Regulatory Commission is studying the possibility of reducing power rates. This follows a series of price rollbacks implemented by local oil firms. This report.
The Energy Regulatory Commission assured power producers will give what is due to its consumers. Oil prices are set to dip anew, which is usually utilized for power plants. ERC spokesperson Attorney Francis Juan admitted it is just but proper for the decrease in prices of electricity owing to the drop of oil prices.
Kinakailangan din na ipasa nila ito sa kanilang mga kakontratang distribution utilities. At yung mga distribution utilities naman, dahil bumaba yung kanilang dapat na bayaran doon sa kakontrata niyang generation company, mandated din siya na ibaba ang kanyang generation charge. Pagdating naman doon sa pagbaba ng fuel cost, yung presyo ng fuel cost at yung impact nito sa distribution charges ng mga distribution utilities, ang ginagawa kasi natin ay tinatakda yung singil ng distribution utilities at isa sa mga basihan ng kanilang singil ay yung kanilang gastos sa fuel, sa kanilang operation.
Juan said it is a possibility that power producers are just being cautious in price dips in the event of oil price hikes in the world market. As of now, ERC hopes for the stability of prices of electricity.
First line of defense dyan is the DU. Siya kasi yung kakontrata ni generation company at siya ay humihingi din kapag siya ay makatanggap ng power bill sa kanyang kakontratang generation company. May mga detalye dito, mga kalkulasyon, and at the same time may mga resibo para mapatunayan na ito nga ang aktual na ginastos ng kanyang kakontratang generation company. Ang DU naman, pag magsusumite na siya ng reportorial requirements sa ERC, kasama din yung mga power bills na yan mula sa generation company at natitingnan din namin sa pamamagitan nga ng monthly reportorial requirements na isinusumite sa amin ng distribution utilities.
ERC will hold check and balance as power producers hand in their computations.